Hello, in this video we will discuss about if-else and Elif statement. What are they? They are condition checking statements. If-else statements are used to control program flow based on some conditions. An if statement is written by using if keyword. Let us now consider real world problem. Suppose you take a public motorbike and it collects two information on face recognition. Assume the government has your information. Let us say it has age and probably I'll just take 18 and other information would be test. Here driving license maybe d underscore test. So I'll just assign it to true. Here if you want to check if the person age is greater than or equal to 18 and test is true or not. Only if these two conditions are true, print or give access. See the if condition we have written, the next would be else condition. What if you're not above 18? Then print you are not eligible. As simple as that. When I execute this, oh, syntax error. Okay guys, this is all I have got here. For complete Python developer course from beginner to expert, check the link in the description below. Look into the course description and the content of the course. If you find the course add value to your career, then enroll for it. Remember, what you do today defines your future. Thank you.